Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So, the material just arrived for that big job of making those. It goes with them stars I cut out on the copy torch. Now, all the material is here, so let's take a look at the material and see what we got. So the first piece here is a stick of 6x6 by 3/8 box tube, a stick of 5x5 by 3/8 box tube, a full stick of 1045 2 7/16 inch round stock. And over here we have a total of 4x8 sheets of 1/2 inch plate sheared into 12-inch wide strips. So that's our steel delivery to make those 3 parts. So let's head into the shop and take a look at the bill of lading and see what the actual total weight was. So here is our bill of lading. We got 3 1/2 inch plates, 1 of each of the other things, and I hope this is in focus for y'all. And over here is the total weight of each line item, and our total weight, 3,269 pounds. So let's see who the winner is. So the Kevaroo, you are the winner. You were the closest at 3,250 pounds without going over. The actual weight was 3,269. So you are the winner of the Lufkin tape measure that reads in fraction and decimal. Love these things. And the jar of pure, raw, unfiltered northern Wisconsin honey, right from our own beehive. I hope you enjoy this. This is some pretty dark stuff. Last year our honey was much lighter, so I hope you enjoy it. And now I'm going to talk to you guys about what's happening here in the shop. Well, a little update here on the shop. I'm falling further behind. I've been very busy, working some very, very long days, actually close to 18-hour days. Not sleeping much, so I need to focus on the shop, get caught up on the jobs, the paying jobs, and get them back to the customers so I can get paid. And once I'm caught up again, I'm going to get back to filming. So I'm taking a break from videos. Now, I have one video shot edited that's going to come out Saturday. It's kind of controversial. It's about shop safety, but it also talks about my personal experiences and experiences with others in the local area with OSHA, the FRA, things like that. The government agencies that think they're all about safety. So check it out. I hope I don't lose a bunch of subscribers over it, but we're doing that one Saturday just to test the waters on a Saturday release, see what happens. So I'm going to take a break from filming. It might be 1 week, it might be 3 weeks. We don't know yet just where I'm at, how far behind I am. In a couple weekends, my wife and I are taking the weekend off. We're going camping on Madeline Island. So we're going to take our camper and head up there. We take the ferry across, and so I'll probably bring the cameras for that. I think that'll be kind of fun to see that island, the ferry service, all that. Might be a short video, but I enjoy the island. I've been up there numerous times. In fact, years ago, I was part of the crew that put a caboose on that island. The very first caboose to ever be on that island, ever first railroad equipment. So I was part of that. So stay tuned, there's lots of cool stuff coming. Another thing that's coming is I just purchased a drone. So probably gonna let my stepson learn that because I just don't have the time. And I bought it mostly for filming on the sawmill. So sawmill and in the yard and things like that, but we'll see if it'll work here in the high bay in the shop. We'll just see what happens. But looking forward to that, and so stay tuned, see what that's all about. And I'll be back to normal before you know it. And the Kevaroo, congratulations. I hope you enjoy the tape measure and the honey. Like I said, that honey is very good flavor, and those are my absolute favorite tape measures. So, and to the rest of you, get out in your shops and get it done right the first time.